Hi, you're welcome to this correctional video, and I want to further provide some clarity about the paper sizing, you understand. So picking this up from this point where we have A4, we have A4 here, and then half of A4 is A5. What it means that this is also A5. So don't mix that up. Oh, sorry. This is also A5. Like in entirety, but I'm gonna faint this A5 a bit so that we can see A6 actually within A5. That is A5. So half of A5 or duplicates is A6. Half of A5 is A6. I just bring this up a bit. Oh no. Yeah. Let me bring that up a bit. So I'm gonna change the shade of this A6 color to something much darker. No, that's not dark enough for me. Okay, mm, let's make that. That's too much, right? So I'll use my color wheel. Then just a bit sort of different shade of that. So now we see that is A5. Now we have A6, which is this one. A6. So A5 is the bigger one, and A6 is the smaller one. You see that? A6. Get that? So I'll change this effect so that it becomes something more clear. Okay, let's use this. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all now. I hope this help you understand it better. So this entire length is A5, but this portion is A6. So yeah, that's it. Apparently. So what this means is that this is A5, this particular part, and then wherever you see this thing being, how do I call it now, being fainted, it means that is like the entire is cutting across the entire thing. So this is A5. That's coming up double. Yeah. So I'm just gonna zoom this up a bit. So yeah, there you go. Not liking the effects. Offsets. Yeah, let's keep it that way. So yeah, there you go. So this will be 4. Good. So this A4 is just like this. This A5 is just like this. And this entire space is A3. Meaning that if I bring this, yeah, I'll still be referring to the same thing. A3. So meaning this, oh, there you go. Yeah. Meaning this entire space is the same as this black space. I'll change this to color black. That's not coming out well. The transparency. Yeah. So wherever it is crossing, it means it contains the entire area that is being talked about. So I hope that helped you sort of comprehend what we're talking about. Yeah. Okay. All right. And then what this means also is that if I put it here, I duplicate this and then I bring it here. bring it here. It means this entire um space. We have. All right, let's bring this first. I'm gonna take this one up for now. This is A4, A3, A3. You understand? Now this is A2. It means this everything here too will be A2. So I'll paste this down there and I'll give you A2, A2. Okay, let's see how many of you understand this now. We're starting with A6. Double of A6 is A5, which is everything here, which is the same thing as the one here. So double of A5 is A4, which is what you see here. Double of A4 is A3, which is everything you see here equals to what is here too. So double of A3 is what's A2. You understand? And then that makes sense entirely. Double of A2, which is exactly the entire of this part. I hope this sort of help you or make this big. So we have a look at it. Am I able to zoom? Yeah, good. All right, good. Let's have a look. Now, popular paper that you know is A4. This is A4. When you fold A4 into 2, you get A5. When you fold A5 into 2, you get A6. When you fold A6 into 2, you get A7, which I've not put on here. So let's do that. Let's put A7 in there. Let's put A7 there. So when I fold A6 into 2, this is A6 here. So I'm going to be getting A7 by dividing A6 into 2. And I'll just do that division down here. So dividing that into 2. So this then becomes, first let's put this over this, make it smaller so it cuts across. So the half of A6 will be what's A7. A7. Let's give that another sort of shade. Yeah, another shade. Good. So I hope this makes sense now. And yeah. So what this means too is that this is A7 itself too. You understand what I mean? So A7 is 7. So that's how it works. I just hope this makes sense to you and then you're able to understand what we've been explaining. So I'll make this big so you can have an overall look at it. And then I'll zoom in. We'll look at it from down, from bottom. So A4, you put it into 2, you get A5, fold A5 into 2, you get A6, fold A6 into 2, you get A7, expand A7, you get A6, expand A6, you get A5, expand A5, you get A4, expand A4 into 2, like double it, because A3, double A3 into 2 become A2, and times 2 of A2 gives you A1, and that is how it works. And I hope this helps you. Good. So in practice, let me get a paper. Mm, Let me look at one of my sons. All right. I'll just make use of something like this to show you. Okay, switching my camera to camera. Okay, let's use this. Okay, this is A4. When you divide it into two, this becomes A5. When you divide it into two, it becomes A6. When you fold it further, it becomes A7. A7, A6, A5, A4, twice of this gives you what? A3. Twice of A3 gives you A2. All right, thank you, and I hope this helps you comprehend and navigate all that I've explained to you. If you have any question, put in the comment. And cheers. Bye. Hmm.